After I've done my videos unboxing and reviewing the XMG Core 17 laptop right here, some of you were interested in getting more of an idea about how this laptop will perform in gaming at 1440p, given that XMG will also be selling this laptop with a 1440p display option, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. Do note that XMG will also be selling this laptop with a Ryzen 4800H CPU, whereas in here I happen to have the Ryzen 5800H plus RTX 3060 combo, so if you'd like to get more information about either the Ryzen 4800H or you'd like to see the benchmark results for the Ryzen 5800H plus RTX 3060 that I've done, then do make sure you're going to check out the links in the video description, because that's where I will have more information about it. Now, before we're going to jump into all of those 1440p benchmarks, let me tell you that I've ran all of those tests using the latest BIOS option, which brought some improvements to performance, albeit minor, and some things that you can also tweak, and the same can be said about the new control center, from which you can also make changes to the core and memory clock frequency. So that's all fine and dandy, because it means that you're not going to have to go into MSI Afterburner to make all of those changes. And I've also ran all of those tests with the latest GeForce drivers, which means that performance might be a little bit better than the last time that I've tested all of those games at 1080p. Still, I hope you guys are going to enjoy it, and let's jump into the benchmarks. And now that you've seen those results, let me know what you think about them in the comments. And if you happen to have more questions about it, then you can also post them in the comments. But please don't ask me to do more benchmarks, because by the time you're watching this video, I'm going to have to give this laptop back to XMG, which means that I won't be able to do any more benchmarks. But if you have more general questions, then sure, I might be able to give you an answer with regards to them. Otherwise, Tom from XMG might be able to give you more of an idea of what you can expect. Either way, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.